Sleek Kitchen Gadgets 2024. The kitchen has long been considered the heart of the home, and in 2024, it's more high-tech and stylish than ever before. With advancements in smart technology, design, and functionality, kitchen gadgets are no longer just about convenience. They're about enhancing your cooking experience while adding a touch of elegance to your culinary space. From cutting-edge appliances to innovative tools that simplify meal preparation, this year's lineup of kitchen gadgets is all about blending form with function. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cooking enthusiast, these sleek gadgets are sure to inspire your inner gourmet. In this video, we'll explore the top kitchen gadgets of 2024 that combine aesthetics with advanced technology, making your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and efficient. 1. Smart Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Sous vide cooking has been a game changer in the culinary world, and in 2024, this technique has been taken to new heights with the latest smart Sous Vide precision cookers. These devices offer precise temperature control, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time, all while maintaining a sleek and compact design that fits seamlessly into modern kitchens. Advanced connectivity and control. The smart Sous Vide cookers of 2024 come equipped with advanced connectivity features, allowing you to control the device from your smartphone or tablet. This means you can monitor and adjust cooking temperatures remotely, ensuring your meal is cooked to perfection, even if you're away from the kitchen. Voice command compatibility. Many of these devices are also compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to start or stop cooking with simple voice commands. Sleek design and user interface. In addition to their functionality, these Sous Vide cookers boast sleek, minimalist designs that complement any kitchen decor. The devices feature intuitive touchscreens or LED displays, making it easy to set precise temperatures and cooking times. Compact and portable. Designed with modern kitchens in mind, these cookers are compact and easy to store, yet powerful enough to handle large meals. Their sleek appearance ensures they don't clutter your kitchen counter. Durable materials. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel and heat-resistant materials, these Sous Vide cookers are built to last, offering both durability and style. 2. Automatic pan stirrer with timer. Gone are the days of standing over the stove, tirelessly stirring sauces, soups, or risottos. The automatic pan stirrer with a built-in timer is one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets of 2024, designed to give you a break while ensuring your dishes are perfectly stirred. Hands-free stirring. This gadget is a game changer for multitasking in the kitchen. It features an automatic stirring mechanism that rotates continuously, preventing food from sticking or burning. Adjustable speed settings. The stirrer comes with multiple speed settings, allowing you to customize the stirring intensity depending on the dish. Whether you need a gentle stir for delicate sauces or a more vigorous motion for hearty stews, this gadget has you covered. Built-in timer. The built-in timer ensures that the stirring stops automatically after the set time, so you can focus on other tasks without worrying about overcooking. Elegant design. The automatic pan stirrer is not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Its sleek design makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen, and it's compact enough to store easily. Ergonomic handle. The gadget features an ergonomic handle that's comfortable to grip, and it's made from high-quality, heat-resistant materials that ensure safety and durability. Modern aesthetics. With a combination of polished metal and matte finishes, a stirrer looks as good as it performs, fitting perfectly into contemporary kitchen spaces. 3. Touchless smart trash can. Managing kitchen waste has never been more hygienic or convenient, thanks to the touchless smart trash cans of 2024. These gadgets are designed to make waste disposal effortless while adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Motion sensor technology. The touchless smart trash cans use advanced motion sensor technology to detect your hand or debris, automatically opening the lid for you. This touch-free operation helps maintain a cleaner and more sanitary kitchen environment. Responsive sensors. The sensors are highly responsive, ensuring that the lid opens quickly and closes gently after a few seconds. This minimizes contact with the trash can, reducing the spread of germs. Silent operation. The trash cans are designed for quiet operation, so the lid opens and closes smoothly and silently, without disrupting the peace of your kitchen. Smart features. In addition to their touchless operation, these trash cans come with several smart features that enhance their functionality and ease of use. Waste level indicators. Some models are equipped with LED indicators that show the fill level of the trash can, alerting you when it's time to take out the trash. Deodorizing system. To keep your kitchen smelling fresh, many of these smart trash cans include built-in deodorizing systems that neutralize odors with replaceable filters. Wi-Fi connectivity. Higher-end models even connect to your home's Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor trash levels and receive notifications when it's time to empty the can or change the liner. Stainless steel finishes. Many of the models are available in brushed or polished stainless steel finishes that resist fingerprints and smudges, keeping the trash can looking clean and sleek. Space-saving shapes. Designed to fit in any kitchen layout, these trash cans come in various shapes and sizes, from slim profiles that tuck neatly against a wall to larger, more capacious models for bigger households. 4. Smart induction cooktops. Induction cooktops have always been popular for their energy efficiency and quick heating, but the smart induction cooktops of 2024 bring even more innovation to the table. These cooktops are designed with advanced features that make cooking faster, safer, and more precise. Precision cooking. Smart induction cooktops offer precise temperature control, allowing you to cook with greater accuracy. This is particularly useful for delicate tasks like melting chocolate or simmering sauces. Automatic pan detection. The cooktops automatically detect the size and shape of your cookware, adjusting the heating area accordingly. This ensures even cooking and reduces energy waste. Customizable heat zones. Many models feature multiple heat zones that can be adjusted independently, giving you more control over your cooking process. Smart integration. These cooktops integrate with smart home systems, allowing you to control them via smartphone apps or voice commands. This connectivity offers convenience and enhances safety, particularly when multitasking in the kitchen. Touch controls. The cooktops are equipped with touch-sensitive controls that are both intuitive and responsive, offering a modern look that complements contemporary kitchens. Low-profile build. Their low-profile design allows these cooktops to blend seamlessly into your kitchen counter, creating a streamlined and elegant appearance. 5. Smart air fryer with built-in recipes. Air fryers have become a kitchen staple for health-conscious cooks, and the smart air fryers of 2024 take this convenience to a new level. These devices not only cook food quickly and with less oil, but also come with built-in smart features that make meal preparation easier and more efficient. Stylish and compact design. Smart air fryers in 2024 are designed to be as stylish as they are functional. Their sleek, compact designs fit perfectly on any countertop, and they come in a range of colors and finishes to match your kitchen decor. Matte and glossy finishes. Available in both matte and glossy finishes, these air fryers are not only easy to clean, but also add a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Space-efficient build. Despite their powerful performance, these air fryers are compact and space-efficient, making them ideal for kitchens of all sizes. The kitchen gadgets of 2024 are redefining what it means to cook at home. With a focus on sleek design, smart technology, and enhanced functionality, these gadgets not only make meal preparation easier, but also elevate the overall cooking experience. Whether you're looking to simplify your daily cooking routine, explore new culinary techniques, or simply add a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen, these innovative gadgets are sure to meet your needs. As technology continues to evolve, the future of cooking looks brighter and more stylish than ever before.